up? What it is? What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Srtfied, and I'm back with another banger for y'all. Y'all already know what to do. If you ain't subscribed to my channel yet, take a second, hit that red subscribe button for me. Don't cost me nothing. Don't cost you nothing. Just click that red button. Y'all know what's up. But yeah, I'm headed to Dodge right now. I don't know what's going on with my voice today. To pick up a part, well, a couple of parts actually. As you guys saw in my last video, I officially dropped off Nunu to get her bags installed, specifically the Airlift 3H system. And also, before I even dropped it off, I ended up ordering the SPC upper control arms for the front, because once I get my car back and get, play around with the system and everything and get my ride height set where I want it, I want to make sure that I get an alignment done. And a lot of times, especially if you lower your charger, and even in stock form, the back wheels have a tendency to, camber in, and the front wheels have a camber as well, but it's not as noticeable. It's not as noticeable until you actually go up in size on wheels. So if you're riding 22s or bigger, though I wouldn't suggest anything bigger than 22s, but if you're riding 22s or bigger, you definitely start to notice the camber wear on your tires, especially on the front as well. So I ended up ordering the SPC front adjustable upper control arms and the rear Eibach alignment bushings, which also has a adjustable camber as well. But adjustable for those is kind of I don't want to call it a false marketing statement, but it kind of is. Yes, it's adjustable, but it's adjustable for one time, because those bushings have to get pressed in, and once they're pressed in, you can't adjust it again after that. You would have to press those bushings back out and then readjust them, and I think at that point those bushings are worn out. But anyways, it's a good product. But in doing so, in ordering the SPC upper control arms, I needed to order the bolts for them, and the reason why is because the bolts that I have on the car, the nut on them were stripped. So I'm headed to Dodge right now. I ordered them yesterday, as a matter of fact, and they came in this morning. So I'm headed up there right now to pick up those bolts, and then going up to the shop to drop them off and get you guys some footage of their current progress so far. So stay tuned, relax, and then hope you guys enjoy the video. So let's go. Pulling up now. Got some nice Jeeps up here. Double of Jeeps. Thought about getting me a Jeep. Jeeps is dope. We're gonna go in here, pick up these parts real quick. Alright, so got my parts. These are the bolts right here. It's 2 on each side, and got the nuts to go with it as well. So heading up to the shop right now, and I'll catch you guys there. Alright, just made it to my Lahini Customs. Still got this skyline out here. And Minnie looking good too. Get these bolts. What's going on, big man?
What's up, man? How are you?
Good. As promised. These are it, right?
I believe so. Yeah, because they seem to be like a one-time use kind of deal.
Yeah. Ooh. Look at her. Look at her. Yep. These are the control arms, and back here, these are the bolts that I was talking about that are getting replaced. Putting in that work, I see.
The upper control arms in yet, but I want to show you these. These are the sway bar links.
Yeah.
It didn't come with new ones, but They're a little.
Those are those are replaced. Those are the BWoody ones.
Okay.
Yeah.
They're just a little messed up. So let me give you a heads up on that.
Okay.
Just, I mean,
they messed up already. Like those literally just got put in like a couple months ago.
Yeah.
Yeah. Those are like brand new. All right.
They're pretty beefy, but I mean, as far as the bushings on the inside,
yeah,
they look kind of a little worn out. So I don't know, like noise-wise. I mean, have you been getting any kind of like?
No. No. I mean, we'll throw them back in there. If they start giving me issues, then I'll replace them. But for now, yeah. Probably just need to add a little bit more grease on them.
Yeah, this one over here, it's kind of like. That one's still on the bottom, but it's all like blowing out the back. So I think.
Yeah,
maybe they'll just send you some new ones. Snap a few pictures.
Yeah.
And then you know what I mean. So that way, if it does cause an issue later on, you just have them right away.
Yeah, I guess I'll snap some pictures of that and probably get some new ones if I do get the new ones, because I ended up going with the basic bushing because they have the option to go with the polyurethane bushings, I believe. So, but yeah, we'll just put them in. If they start giving me issues, then yeah, I'll just get some, because those are easy to replace.
Yeah, I mean, they're just some sway bar links.
Yeah.
So really all they're gonna do is just make some noise.
Yeah. I mean, I haven't had any issues with them. I mean, even looking at them, I'll just keep that in mind. But definitely haven't had any issues with them. Man, y'all move quick. Like y'all just started on this thing and y'all already got a lot of stuff in here.
Yeah, the rear kit's in. We started running lines.
That's where everything is getting mounted. Cool. So just to give you guys an update, I do also have the adjustable shocks, which comes with the little knob right here. To where you can adjust the dampening on them. The rear has it as well. It does come with an extension piece. They haven't routed it yet, but I'm probably gonna have them routed somewhere up here to where it's easily accessible, so I don't have to constantly pull that panel down. But everything is coming along nicely. But I do have to contact BWoody and see about these front end links. The rear ones actually are fine. It's just the front ones that concern me a little bit. But like you guys just heard, they're not making any noise. They haven't given me any issues while I'm driving. I haven't felt anything, but before it gets to that point, I'm definitely gonna contact them and see about getting some new ones possibly, or upgrading to the polyurethane ones, especially on the front, because that's where the motor is, so I'm assuming, with the stress and everything. And they're already starting to crack on the paint. I'm assuming that's just the paint work. But anyways, I'm gonna contact them and see what's up. See the MFers right here. If you watch my video, I do have the MFers on the exhaust valves. They still look good. But they have not ran the lines yet. But yeah, it's crazy how clean this thing still is underneath from all the driving in the rain and Yeah.
Trying to shoot for this weekend. We're trying to shoot for this. I gotta be prepared. I gotta call a few people too to like go out there to that show.
Yeah. I mean, like I said, I'm not trying to rush it. I want to get done. Wanted it to get done right. So if possible, great. If not, I'm not too much stressing it. So cool beans. All right. So there y'all heard it. Y'all seen it. Progress is going along quite nicely on the car, and yeah, hopefully we'll get this thing done by this weekend, and I can actually show this thing off this weekend. So, but if not, like I said, I'm not stressing it. I got plenty of other shows to go to. So just a quick update for you guys. Y'all seen the current state that Nunu is in right now. They got the back bags in. The front right one is installed. The front left one is not installed yet. They still got to run the lines and things of that nature. I mean, it's just day one, so I literally dropped that car off yesterday, and to see that they got that much done already, I'm a little shocked, because I'm not gonna lie, it's been past situations where I've dropped a car off at a shop and they didn't even start on it until 3-4 days later. So for them to have started on it immediately says a lot about their shop and the fact that they do their stuff on a schedule. So today is Tuesday, actually. I'm not sure when you guys will see this video. It'll probably be a couple days later, but today is Tuesday. So yeah, I'm hoping that this car will get done by Friday. Hopefully I can pick it up Friday or early Saturday morning. Well, actually I can't even pick it up Saturday morning because that's the day that the car show is at. So I'll be at the car show Saturday morning, regardless if the car is done or not. But hopefully I have it for that Saturday night, because we have a lot of stuff going on Saturday. But stay tuned for that, because I'm definitely going to be shooting a lot of footage for you guys that Saturday. But anyways, but yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, y'all. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on Nunu. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my Instagram, and also #salute and Srtfied drip on all your pictures and videos to show love to the channel. And yeah, I hope you guys stick around for the reveal of Nunu once she get the bags completely installed, and I'm definitely gonna give you guys an update and continue shooting. So the grind never stops. So I appreciate everybody that has been a support system for this channel, and all my subscribers and all my non-subscribers who still tune in regardless. So I definitely appreciate you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and like I said, hit that notification bell so y'all don't miss any content that I got coming up for Nunu. Again, this is the heat that I promised you guys, and I got more heat coming for the rest of this year. Like I said, the grind never stops. So hope y'all stay tuned, and I hope y'all have a good day.